The general population at large out there thinks that every dentist is the same. There is a difference in the environment, in the people that are providing the care, and in the ambiance in the office. So we have upbeat music, we have bright colors in our office, we're focused on the patient's comfort, but we're also focused on providing the very best dental care that's possible.
When you first get here, it's like walking the red carpet. I don't have any more anxiety or anything about having anything done because Dr. Mark is just the best dentist on the planet.
It's not the normal dentist office. It's a fun place to go to, surprisingly, because in the past, I didn't really want to go to the dentist. They treat you well. They go the extra mile in everything that they do. The staff here is outstanding.
Not like a dentist's office. It really is a spa here. You get a warm neck pillow, you get a hand massage or a foot massage. Just like, oh yeah, I'm here to have my teeth done.
I have been to quite a few dentists in Austin, and it took me a while until I found the right one. And when I came here, my experience was so wonderful that I would never go to another dentist.
At Austin Dental Spa, we live and die by two particular things that there's no negotiation on. We want the highest quality of dental care, and we want a world-class customer service. Every time a patient walks out of our office, whether they've been coming here for 30 years or it's their first visit, my goal is that they walk out of the door saying, wow, that's the best dental appointment I've ever had.